Prime Minister Modi tried to address the apprehensions over the land acquisition bill in his outreach to farmers over radio. Modi assured farmers that their land will not be taken forcibly. Modi took his fight against the opposition to the farmers through his radio address Mann Ki Baat. Dismissing protests against the bill as part of the opposition's conspiracy, he took them head-on, saying the amendments in the bill would only help farmers.
ये जो कानून में सुधार हम कर रहे हैं, कमियां दूर कर रहे हैं, किसान की भलाई के लिए जो हम कदम उठा रहे हैं, उसके बावजूद भी अगर किसी राज्य को ये नहीं मानना है तो स्वतंत्र है। और इसलिए मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो सारे भ्रम फैलाए जा रहे हैं वो सरासर किसान विरोध के भ्रम है, किसान को गरीब रखने की षड्यंत्र का ही हिस्सा है। देश को आगे न ले जाने के जो षड्यंत्र चले हैं उसी का हिस्सा है। उससे बचना है, देश को भी बचाना है, किसान को भी बचाना है।
Deputy Editor Smita Sharma is now joining us with details from Delhi, and Amir Haq is joining us from the outskirts of Lucknow with reactions from farmers. First, Smita, the Prime Minister has tried to turn the tables on the opposition. What are the political reactions that are coming in?
Well, Maha, as we were discussing earlier this morning, in effect, this Mann Ki Baat really became about the land acquisition bill and all the allegations being hurled against the government of being anti-poor, anti-farmers. And clearly, this was essentially the spirit of the speech in a way that Narendra Modi addressed through radio. As far as political reactions are concerned, I tried speaking to a couple of them, but they seem to be formulating their response at the moment. We are expecting, in fact, to get in some Congress reactions in the next few minutes, and we will play it out. But clearly, the 3-4 things, in fact, that Narendra Modi has tried doing here, Maha, he rolled the ball into the courts of the states as well, saying that, look, at the end of the day, if the states do not want to implement the act, you're up to it, you can feel free to do that. Secondly, he also, tried saying that social impact assessment, the removal of that clause, which has been one of the controversial, in fact, issues in this bill, he tried mentioning that this we have done essentially to cut through red tapeism. But how much of this will be bought in by the opposition is something we'll have to wait and watch. And interestingly, PM Modi also referring to that slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which was coined, of course, in 1965 by the then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, when India, of course, was at war, trying to encourage the farmers to, meet with the scarcity of food grains. So we will get in those political reactions in a short while from now, Maha.
So no hasty political reactions coming in. Everybody studying that address first before reacting. Let me go across to Amir now. Amir, the farmers are already reeling under crop damage. Are they ready to buy the government's arguments on land acquisition?
Well, Maha, most of the farmers that we spoke to out here were of the opinion that Prime Minister's address was aimed perhaps more towards solving his own political problems there in Delhi rather than attending to the issues that farmers out here on the ground have. Let's in fact get you a few reactions out here. आप बताइए, जो प्रधानमंत्री का एड्रेस आपने सुना, उनका जो भाषण सुना, मन की बात सुनी, आपको लगा कि वो वाकई जो किसान हैं उनकी तरफ एम था, उनकी तरफ केंद्रित था?
वो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का अपने मन की बात थी, उन्होंने अपने मन की बात कही है, लेकिन इसका किसान के ऊपर कोई खास लाभ होने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि चुनावी घोषणा पत्र में उन्होंने कृषि को उद्योग का दर्जा देने की बात कही थी, और उद्योग का दर्जा अगर दिया जाता है तो उसके साथ नाना प्रकार की जो है एग्रीकल्चर में, खेती में जो है सुविधाएं दी जाती हैं। हमें किसी प्रकार का कोई जो है संसाधन इस प्रकार का मुहैया नहीं कराया गया अभी तक, जबकि हम देख रहे हैं कि फैक्ट्री को कर्मचारी को भी लाभांश मिलता है, सरकारी कर्मचारी को यहाँ तक कि हाउस रेंट तक दिया जाता है। हमारी कच्ची झोपड़ी है, हमारा कच्चा बंगला है, बरसात में गिरता है, बच्चे दबते हैं, लेकिन जो है हमें कहाँ पे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कृषि के उद्योग के दर्जे में भारत के किसानों को कहाँ पर उन्होंने कौन सा जो है लाभ देने की घोषणा कही? उन्होंने वर्तमान आज की बात कही है कि हम ये करेंगे, पिछली बात को उन्होंने याद तक तो नहीं किया है।
नहीं, उन्होंने बहुत से बातें साफ की हैं, क्लियर की हैं कि ये भ्रम फैलाया जा रहा था अपोजिशन की तरफ से।
अपोजिशन क्या होता है, हम मूल किसान हैं, हमको अपना व्यक्तित्व, अपना परिवार चलाना है। किसी विपक्ष और किसी अन्य के हिसाब से तो हम खेती नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये तो 5 साल 4 साल 3 साल में ये लोग हमारे सामने आएंगे और अपनी बात कहेंगे और हमें एक टाफी दिखा के और सहानुभूति बटोर के हमसे मत ले लेंगे जो है। लेकिन हमें उद्योग का दर्जा एग्रीकल्चर का किस बेस पे दिया गया, हमें कौन सा लाभ दिया जा रहा है उद्योग के बेस पे?
So, Maha, you see here, there are a lot of problems that these farmers here feel had been entirely left out by the Prime Minister there. His radio address seemed to be only aimed at solving those political problems and
That's
perhaps
right.
clearing the air over the questions that opposition has raised about the Land Acquisition Act.
Amir, do stay on with us. Smita, I want to come back to you. Very interesting point there being made by the farmer. While this whole radio address, Mann Ki Baat, actually seem to be focusing on land acquisition, the farmers are at this point reeling under crop damage. Do you think that the opposition now has more ammunition with it and might attack the Prime Minister or the government rather on that front also?
Look, the opposition, Maha, at the end of the day will look for any and every opportunity possible to, target the government and really aim its salvos at Narendra Modi. But the point here is, this farmer that Amir is speaking to is really very articulate and making very pertinent points, because Narendra Modi did refer to the crop damage, but only in a fleeting passing way, where he said that, look, we will ensure that there is, the compensation process is expedited to the best possible abilities, and we are working very closely with the states monitoring the situation. We are very sensitive to your issues. But barring that, really, none of the farmers' issues has been discussed in specificity. So, in a way, this Mann Ki Baat really was about addressing all the points being raised by the opposition and about new promises being made, not about the action which has so far been taken in the last 9 months on what promises had been made in the BJP's manifesto when it went into polls in May of 2014.
Absolutely, and the farmer there saying and mincing no words when he says, keep politics aside. At this point, we are suffering, do something for us. Many thanks, Smita and Amir, for joining us with the latest.